Hi guys, Elisa with Jots Designs. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another ring and trinket dish, and I'll be using this glass dish that I got from the Dollar Tree and this cute little elephant ring holder that I got off of Amazon. And then for the resin, I'm going to be using Stone Coat Countertops Quick Coat, and it's going to be for the first layer, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio resin, and it has a short working time of about 15 to 20 minutes. For the colors, I will be using some Rez Black, Saphire Blue, Sassy Red, and Angel White pastes. I've also got the copper powder and some Mehron metallic gold. And then for the effects, I'm going to be using some silicone oil. I've got the 3-in-1 silicone oil, and just going to be doing one of the many different effects you can achieve with silicone oil. I'll be using a thin layer of Faux Rizzle resin on top once this is cured in a few hours, and I'll fill in any divots that may have happened due to the silicone, and then that will also seal in the elephant. And then keep watching to see how I prep the piece to avoid new divots in that clear layer, and check out some of my other videos where I use silicone oil, and you can see some of the other things that you can do with the silicone oil in resin. Definitely stay to the end for the close-ups of this so you can see how many amazing cells that come out, and give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell me what you think of this piece, and if you have any questions in the comments. I've got discounts and links for the products I use listed in the description, and you can find more in my Amazon shop as well. If you'd like to help keep this channel going, please click the Linktree link in the description and see the various ways that you can help. All help is greatly appreciated and goes back into making new videos to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm Elisa with Jots Designs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!